What's up everybody, this is Adrian Boysel. Welcome back to another Adrian Graphics and Marketing video. I have some exciting news. I want to share a win with you because you guys are subscribed to my channel. For those that are here for the first time, definitely smash that subscribe button, hit the like button because I got something exciting that I want to share. You may not know this, but I started doing videos back in high school, in my very early years of high school, and that's carried me all until now. I've had multiple cameras over the years, but as the years go by, I continue to upgrade my equipment, upgrade my audio, and today I have an exciting win that I want to share with you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and roll right into it. All right, so the exciting news is I bought the newest, the best tripod for our videos. We're gonna get a second camera, and we were looking at tripods, we were looking at what we were gonna get, and B&H just happened to have an amazing deal. The 504HD Manfrotto. Let me show you what this thing's about. But seriously, this is the coolest tripod ever. I've been excited about it. Been bragging to my wife about how excited I am. And today I'm gonna unbox it, show you guys what it's all about, what the difference is between the tripod that this camera that is sitting on right now, which we can show after in the video, and this bad boy right here. So let's get into it. Oh man, it's even got a bag. Now this thing is awesome. I've actually used these a number of times when I worked in churches, doing video production for weddings, doing all kinds of videos, but I've never had one myself, and I finally reached a point, thanks to you guys, thanks to all my amazing clients. They're gonna watch this video to be able to afford to get one of these bad boys. And I lost my mic. See, it's all fun and games till you lose your mic. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it looks like. It's got this cool bag, happens to be like my company colors, super sweet. And you see here the difference, look at this thing. Wow, what? Yeah, this thing's a bad boy. So what's cool about this is, like the other tripods that I have that we've been using for years, they just have one post, and this one has multiple. So you actually gotta undo this on these sides here. And again, this is the 504HD tripod with the smooth head. You can see here just how sturdy and heavy duty this is. We'll be able to use this for big shoots, for commercials, for all this kind of cool stuff, but it actually comes out like this, and you can even buy a dolly. I mean, look at the posts on this thing. There's like 4 posts for every leg versus just one little skinny post on a typical tripod. You can see here, this thing is sturdy. It's a beast of a tripod, and it actually stands. I don't know the exact height of it, but it stands, and it will come out to be really tall. Let's see here. Bring this out all the way. There we go. Clamp those down. I'm glad I've used one of these before. There we go. And we got this one here. That one's all the way down already. That's not even it, right? It actually goes even higher than that. If you actually lower this down, you can take it up another notch. Yeah, that just happened. Let me go like this here. Get a little karate kick. There we go. All right. I'm breaking a sweat. All right, so you can see this thing is a monster. I don't know who's gonna shoot that high, but you never know when the situation arises when you're gonna need to shoot Kareem Abdul-Jabbar or Shaquille O'Neal or something. But yeah, thing is massive. You can lower it down as high or as low as you want, and then it's got this little handle underneath where you can actually adjust the balance, the left and right of the tripod without having to move it up on the head like the typical cheap ones have. So this is really cool. I love this part of it. It's got this little swivel head, it allows you to have really good control, and you just tighten it up. And then you have these here on the side that allow you to go front and back, and it's got the sturdy mount that's probably in the bag there. So we're gonna set it up and start using this for all of our videos. So this might not seem like a big deal to some of you guys, but for me, this is a really expensive tripod. I think these things retail for like $1,000, but I happen to get a crazy good deal on B&H, and I'm just really stoked to be able to have this piece of equipment and be able to step up our video production game. So wanted to share that with you guys. I'm just very excited that you guys are here. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and just continue to support our channel. We're gonna do some amazing stuff. We got a lot of stuff coming, some short films, some awesome tutorials, courses, trainings, all kinds of cool stuff. So thank you guys for being with me. Thank you for being along the ride for the last 6 months, and I just look forward to seeing what's gonna happen here in the next few weeks. So love you guys, have a great day, and as always, keep looking up.